This morning, bracing for storms after a weekend of wild weather in the Midwest and West, with reported tornadoes and severe storms in Illinois and Colorado.
That is a tornado funnel.
That treacherous weather now moving east, bringing torrential rain, large hail, and wind gusts over 70 miles per hour from Tennessee to New York. In the Washington, D.C. area Sunday, lightning delaying a Beyonce concert. FedEx Field issuing a shelter in place. Fans feeling the heat as they packed into the concourse.
Oh, there goes.
This as Alaska battles historic flooding. Dramatic video capturing the moment a home collapsed in Juneau. The flooding swallowing several homes, toppling trees and prompting evacuations. And it comes as extreme heat continues to bake much of the country, especially the South and West.
This is the hottest summer that I can recall. It's been pretty hard for us.
The summer smashing records. El Paso recording its hottest day ever in the month of August, hitting 112 degrees Sunday. New Orleans setting 10 new record highs since the start of June. And Houston marking 8 straight days of triple-digit temperatures.
It's so hot, it done melted the glue off the bottom of my shoes.
Millions now waiting for cooler days ahead.
It is like extremely hot here in Houston. So yeah, we just try to stay cool as best we can.
And of course, the big question for folks is when can people expect some relief? Sadly, this heat is expected to linger in places like New Mexico, Louisiana, and here in Texas. So folks are going to have to keep finding ways to beat the heat. The cool thing about this YMCA is not only does it have 2 pools, but it also serves as a cooling center. So if getting in the water is not people's jam, they can go inside and just enjoy the air conditioning. Savannah?
That's nice. I hope you're in your suit, Priscilla. Jump in. It's going to be a hot one. Thank you.
Dylan is in for Al this morning, so the heat's back, storms are back.
Storms are back. It's pouring here in New York City, and that's just a taste of what's to come. We've got this warm front moving through the Northeast. That's that initial batch of heavy rain that we're seeing right now. But as we go through this afternoon, especially after 2 o'clock or so, that's when we're going to see the storms refire up with the cold front moving eastward. They'll start back through Ohio into western Pennsylvania, down through Virginia, probably around 2, 3 o'clock or so, and then they'll move into the Northeast later on this evening around 5, 6 o'clock. Wind gusts over 65 miles per hour, large hail, and we can't rule out tornadoes either. These are going to be some pretty strong storms with this cold front. Now, these will clear the area overnight, but then tomorrow morning we'll start off with some heavier pockets of rain, especially up across New England. Those will last through early afternoon, but they will not be as strong as today. Here's where the heat is, down through Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, stretching over into Florida. Not only is it hot, but it's humid. It's going to feel like it's about 110 to 115 degrees for some folks. Look at New Orleans. The old record is 97. We're forecasting a high of 101 degrees today, so it is going to be brutally hot down south. Savannah.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.